Since the COVID hit and ruined all our plans, we never felt the need for an easy near-distance transport option like this. Avoiding crowded public transport can be super easy with an electric scooter. The electric scooter market was booming with its own characteristics. But now in the middle of the pandemic, this has been a blessing. The affordable Kugoo S1 Pro electric scooter can be the answer to all your questions. With a 350W motor, LCD display screen, 3-speed modes, 8 inches solid rear anti-skid tire, and waterproof body, this beauty is here to take over the medium-range electric scooter market. Let's discuss the specification and why the Kugoo S1 Pro is worthy of your attention. Foldable frame. The first look of the Kugoo S1 Pro is very amusing. The beautiful black aluminum body with a robust design and folding frame with a folding handlebar is everything you desire in your electric scooter. Even though the folding can be a little tricky, once you get a hold on to that, it seems easier to park and carry wherever you need. The scooter comes with a black duffel bag when you want to carry it on your shoulder. Also, the unfolding process is the easiest and quite fun. The easy lock on the back is the reason. Same with the spring-controlled handlebars. The height can be adjusted with the height of the rider. Riders with a height of 4'11" to 6" can easily take control over the scooter, and Kugoo S1 can support as high as 206 weight, which makes it a preferable adult scooter. LCD. Once you get the folding and unfolding business done, all is there is to ride. Kugoo S1 delivers one of the smoothest rides ever. The LCD screen presents all the information you may need. Battery percentage, speed reading, mileage, and distance traveled are presented properly. The buttons below the LCD screen control the power on and off, horn, light, and speed options. The horn is not very remarkable but good enough to get attention from the pedestrians. The LED lights will guide you if the road is too dark. The rear light turns up when you press on the acceleration. Yes, the right handlebar is near the thumb lever that controls the acceleration, and the left has the control over the brake. Easy to control and easier to navigate the ride whenever you are on it. The 350W motor is enough to provide you the speed you need for an electric scooter. And it is needless to say that the scooter requires careful handling, even though the speed can go up to 30 km per hour. Kugoo recommends the first mode of speed. The Kugoo S1 Pro takes around 4 hours to be fully charged and can go 30–40 km in one charge. The non-slip solid 8 inches tire supports the speed and action cautiously. The front bar is connected with the wires and the lever that holds the scooter still. Easy turns are suspension-free and relaxing with Kugoo S1. There's a pamphlet in the package with images describing the process. Even though it's described properly, still the process be tricky to have one hand on. The process is to support the scooter on something stable. Then using the handlebar push the scooter forward while your feet press down the lever. Yes, a higher force is needed to get the work done. Once the lever is up and the scooter is loose, you can still support it with the back stand. When you're ready, take the front bar all the way to the rear tire, and the lock will secure the folded scooter. Leave it like that or put it in your duffel bag and be on with your day. The Kugoo S1 Pro comes with a full warranty on most parts for 12 months. For the battery and charger, it's 6 months. The charger port near the folding lever is easy to find and has a plastic cover. The scooter comes with the manual and the folding pamphlet to help you ease into the experience of an electric scooter. Get yours and ride along. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.